Hi! In front of me is iPhone 13 Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can manage vibration settings on this device. First of all, open Settings. Now you need to click on Sounds and Haptics over here and tap on one of those options under Sounds and Haptic Patterns. I will go with ringtone. Now click on Vibration at the top and tap on the best option for you. You can choose Synchronized over here. Select one of those vibration patterns like heartbeat, or disable vibrations completely by choosing None. If you want to, you can always click on Create New Vibration as well, and create your own vibration pattern by tapping it over here. If you wish to stop it, you need to click on the bottom right corner. In order to listen to it, click on Play at the bottom left one. Now, if you wish to re-record it, click on the bottom right corner one more time and start over. Then, in order to end it and save it, just tap at the bottom right corner and click on Save at the top right one. Now name your pattern however you wish to and tap on Save. As you can see, mine is over here. In order to set it up, if it's not already on, just click on it. Then click on the top left corner twice. You can do that to all of those features, like for example, New Mail. If you wish to delete your pattern, you need to swipe it. And now it's gone. Now, from here, you need to scroll down and click on Keyboard Feedback. In order to disable vibrations, you need to tap on this green sweater next to Haptics. If you wish to enable them, just click on the same one. Now, tap on the top left corner and click on those two sweaters to enable or disable Haptics in ring mode and silent mode. Lastly, click on this one next to System Haptics to switch on or off vibrations for system control and interactions. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!